Before installing Windows 11, you should check your computer hardware. Let me show you an easiest way to check your PC within a minute. So first of all, in your Chrome browser or any browser, write download PC health check and it will show you the results of this link. So you can use this link and download PC health software. Install this. I have already installed this. So I will now run this and show you how to easily check my computer whether it supports Windows 11 or not. So I will press check now, and this PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. See all results. I will see. So there are two issues with my PC. Due to this, it does not support Windows 11. TPM 2.0 must be supported and enabled on this PC, and the processor is not currently supported for Windows 11. So you can watch my another video I have prepared for how to install Windows 11 on unsupported PC.